sun until it falls in the sea and the moon pops up to light up our debauchery. You wanna pave the way, I ain't trying to follow. You think it's really deep because you're fucking hollow. You wanna be the king, I wanna overthrow one. I got grown man balls, you really need to grow some. You wear a lot of hoodies, I wear a lot of flannel. You wanna change the game, I wanna change the channel. You read what I've accomplished, I read a lot of comics. I write a lot of music, you write a lot of comments. You sniff coke, I smoke weed, I get the munchies. Pass out, you stare with nosebleeds. I'm looking forward to the future while you hate it all. I wouldn't go back if I could, but you would trade it all.
I don't need a pot of gold, I just need a lot of dough. I just wanna medicate, meditate and make it slow. I don't need a better way, you just need to find your own. Hell is ready, let it wait, I don't care, I'm not alone. I don't need a pot of gold, I just need a lot of dough. I just wanna medicate, meditate and make it slow. I don't need a better way, you just need to find your own. Hell is ready, let it wait, I don't care, I'm not alone.
Drugs, I'm better drunk than sober. The ones that say they love you are the first to fuck you over. You hate certain people, I don't discriminate. You're quick to get in line, I'm slow to assimilate. You got an angel looking down on you and mine is falling. So he looks up to me, yours ignores you when you call him. You thought I gave you a hand so you could stab me in the back, but there were too many knives in it for that. Too late to aim now, you set thoughts free and a shot down. You were the shit in high school, but you were not now. We took a hit of death, you started to suffocate. They put you in the ground, I told the devil he could fucking wait.
I don't need a pot of gold, I just need a lot of dough. I just wanna medicate, meditate and make it slow. I don't need a better way, you just need to find your own. Hell is ready, let it wait, I don't care, I'm not alone. I don't need a pot of gold, I just need a lot of dough. I just wanna medicate, meditate and make it slow. I don't need a better way, you just need to find your own. Hell is ready, let it wait, I don't care, I'm not alone.
God is this? Gave me the hottest bitch, then took the life from her chest and left the polished shit. Sloppy with a fork, so Chris gotta feed her. Too numb to calm, sometimes she pissed while I eat her. I tell her keep her head up, even though I gotta hold it up for her, and she sees her when she try and get up. I know I'm irking her, but can't stop what's hurting her. No sleep with her screaming all night, I'm thinking of murking her. Her parents paid for the coffin and left state after signing a contract, do not resuscitate. Yelling for mommy, I dip in the morphine to calm me. I'm known in town as the creep that's in the zombies. stare in her eyes to look past horror. Morphine tolerated, I'm out copping horse trank for her. Like I won't have to go through hell again. Her skin is like saran wrap, barely hanging from her skeleton. With each one of her ribs defined, my crib's designed to keep the light out, cause she can't lift the blinds. Drifting behind, I'll be out of friends soon. Nobody visits the guy that keeps the body in his bedroom. She's barely alive and taking life from me, with no appetite, but the meningitis is still hungry. Wants to make love, but I had to substitute it with holding hands while we take drugs. She's cold as a corpse and still holding the source. Up in the air like one day the cover is yours. Took the IV out her wrist, tried to give me a kiss. Before I tasted her lips, she dislocated her hips. Started shaking, couldn't feed her, no medication. Too scared to beat on her chest in fear of it cave in. Death waved again, each time leaves her in a coma for a week to wake up to more seizures. But this time ain't like the rest. I can see right through her chest and see her heart ain't got no fucking beats left. Then a voluptuous ghost falls from a host.